Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tundra brake light, updated. Start by parking safely, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks. Remove the tail light assembly cover by removing clips or screws and keep hardware organized. Wear gloves to protect the bulb surface and your hands. Test the new bulb before reassembling, then reconnect the battery and confirm proper function with your helper. Gently remove the tail light assembly by opening the tailgate and removing interior trim panels to access fasteners. Use the correct socket or screwdriver to loosen bolts and place them in a container so nothing gets lost. Carefully disengage plastic tabs by pulling the assembly outward, supporting it so the harness doesn't strain. Once free, set the assembly on a soft surface, then locate and remove the bulb socket for inspection and replacement. If this guide is helping you, please like the video and subscribe for more practical truck tips and DIY advice. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, bold scent that makes test drives and post-repair rides enjoyable. It pairs nicely with a fresh tail light job and keeps your cab smelling great during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the bulb socket by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it straight out from the assembly. Inspect the socket and connector for corrosion or damage and clean contacts if needed. Install the new bulb by handling it at the base to avoid oils on the glass, then seat the socket and twist to lock. Reconnect the battery briefly to test the brake light function, and only fully reassemble the housing after confirming proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.